Massive protests organized by Karbi organizations in Chahal, Guwahati. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Live. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. A massive protest was organized at Chachal, Guwahati by Coordination Committee of Karbi organizations in Assam. The protest was organized to fulfill the long-pending demands of the Karbis living outside of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao. More from our correspondent's report. The organizations asserted that their demand for ST status and also a separate Karbi Autonomous Council for the Karbis outside the hill districts is a constitutional right of the Karbis. Organizations have strongly said that the government of Assam had taken too long to address their issue and the problem is now going beyond tolerance. They have said that the government had created a division between the Karbis by depriving the ST civil right to them. They have criticized the governments that had come to power over the years for neglecting the Karbis living in the 9 plain districts of Assam.
বিশাল গণসমাবেশ হ'ব সমাপুৰত আৰু সেই গণসমাবেশত আমি পণ ল'ম আমি কাৰ্বিসকলে পণ ল'ম আমি সংগ্ৰাম কৰি যোৱাৰ কাৰণে সময়ৰ সাপেক্ষে আমাৰ যদি প্ৰয়োজন হয় আমি আমৰো অনুসৰণ কৰিম কাৰ্বিসকল জাগিছে মহিলাসকল জাগিছে যুৱকসকল জাগিছে সকলোৱে আগবাঢ়ি আহিছে এই সংগ্ৰাম চলিছে আৰু চলিব
इसी स्टेट ते आरोंदा इसीबे नहीं परमति कालिमा नॉन आलो लिखोबा लपसन काली ए कंट्री इसीबे स्टेट इसीबे पुसिता आरोंदा बांके लितुमान आकाफे फ्रैक्शन से नातितो मांदेलो कालिमा ना मतु लासी नॉन लितु बांके इलितुम जेलों नहीं असो भांके इलितुम सरकार फान पाचिनी तांगाबो पिनिया ने कांगु से लिको भान इलितुम के नहीं असो नो से इलितुम नो से लितुम ना पाचिनी रे इलितुम नो से थामते फोटते Pini asal nama diritum perempuan, diritum anjur saya, langsung thon diritum baru temang gitulah.
The coordination committee had today announced that another massive protest will be held on December 27 at Sonapur Playground. They have informed that more than 50,000 persons will be taking part in the protest. The Karbis from Nagaon, Sonitpur, Barak Valley, Karbi Anglong, Kamrup, Morigaon will attend this mass gathering. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Turiram Ronghang and MP Horen Singbei and other eminent leaders are also expected to attend the program for the unification of Karbis. The organizations had urged the entire Karbi tribe to support their democratic movements for the fulfillment of their demands for ST status and the creation of an autonomous council. Niduraj Ronghang from Sonapur for Karbi Live. With the aim of retaining power at the state, the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party is also putting effort into reaching out to voters and strengthen party base across the district of the twin hill districts of Karbi Anglong. A mass joining program was held at Kolonga Mojadar village during which 7 families marched with the BJP. With state assembly election around the corner, all of the political parties have intensified their programs and activities have been holding meetings across the district. On Friday, a mass joining program of the BJP was held at Kolonga Mojadar village, during which the ruling party gave a warm welcome to the newly joined members from parties like Congress and ASDC. The program, which was organized by BJP local committee, was led by E.M. Mongol Singh Timung and was also attended by Hamred BJP Mandal Committee President Biren Singh Tiso, Soil Conservation Board Chairman Ronjit Teron and VDC Chairman Sar Singh Phangcho, among others. While speaking at the program, E.M. Timung expressed his happiness over the joining of new members to the party. He said that they have joined the right party, which is responsible for bringing drastic change and immense development into the district, and expressed his confidence over a massive win by the BJP in the upcoming MLA election, claiming that they would win all of the seats by absolute majority. He also urged upon party workers and leaders for unity while carrying out party's order. He also reminded that BJP is committed towards the service of all people without any prejudice in all of its party policies and programs. He reminded that all of its party members are treated with equality without any prejudice based on caste, class, race or religion. Further, EM Timong informed that each of the poor families would receive Rs 820 per month under the Arunodaya scheme launched by their government, and is committed towards continuing its developmental schemes and projects to construct roads, provide drinking water, electrification of villages. The elected representative concluded his speech urging people of the area to continue their support their party by voting them in the upcoming state assembly election. News Desk report, Karbi Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Nanglitum adamasar mail apen kapre rong aje ki dunjia phan pindeng kaching thangja ka dure do ikma. Jongsi do pulo dangte matha ikri homri da mignon pindeng pangrum akula ralong. Northeast lapen Karbi Anglong along nong nam ka chithang klong bang phi designer Pirbi Bepi non hejong kapaklang mi so arlo atum kaching thang apindeng pini pekok lapen wamkok kulara long kapaklang mi lang mesen do. Nasi humri dam igra nang lidom ning ke hanga tengpen chongwai dam iktham lapen ka humri dam nang jadim lake la biarlo ke tok henlo.
Namaskar, I am Nitin Khade, Chief Electoral Officer, Assam. As you must be aware, the draft electoral roll has been published. I would like to appeal to all our young citizens who have attained 18 years of age or will be 18 by 1st of January 2021 to enroll your name in the electoral roll. The forms are available with the BLO of your polling station and also with the ERO of the Assembly constituency of which you are a voter. It can also be downloaded from our website coassam.nic.in or nvsp.in. Fill it up and submit it to your BLO or ERO. You can also submit it online at nvsp.in. Please come forward and become a responsible citizen. Your vote gives you the right to shape the nation. Thank you.
Welcome back after the break. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Jagat Singh Ingti on Friday inaugurated a bamboo bridge at Sarthi Timung village in Hanjang Langso under the Sarupathar MSC constituency. The bamboo bridge was inaugurated by the KAAC EM in charge of education in presence of Sarupathar VDC Riso Singnar, BJP Sarupathar Block Mandal Honaram Singnar, Balipathar LEM Secretary Samson Timung, GB Sarthi Timung, and several other node members of the area. While talking to the media, EM Ingti expressed his hope that even though it is a bamboo bridge, it would definitely reduce the communication woes of the local people to a notable extent. Anantaram's report from Bokajan for Karbi Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Live. Have a good day.